Hello students, today we will see history of a Hadoop, that is story of Hadoop, which will include all the milestones of Hadoop evolution. So let's start with the story. This Hadoop was invented by two inventors, Dodge Cutting and Mike Cafrela. Actually, they was started this Hadoop in 2002. They both started to work on Apache Nudge project. And what was this Apache Nudge project? It was the process of building a search engine system that can index 1 billion pages. And after lot of research on this Nudge project, they concluded that this project is very expensive because the cost required for this project was around $500,000 for hardware and monthly running cost was approximately $30,000, which is very expensive. So they realized that their project architecture will not be capable enough to the work around with billions of pages on the web. So they were looking for a feasible solution, that is economically feasible and functionally feasible. So they were looking for feasible solution which can reduce implementation cost as well as the problem of storing and processing of large amount of data. In 2003, they came across Google's white paper, Google File System, that is GFS. And this paper described the architecture of Google's distributed file system, that is GFS. And it was for storing large amount of data set. Now they realized that this paper can solve their problem of storing large amount of data, but it was just the half solution to their problem. In 2004, Google published one more paper on MapReduce technique, and as we know, this MapReduce technique is solution of processing large amount of data. Now, this paper was another half solution. So, now they had complete solution for their Nudge project. So, they started implementing GFS and MapReduce as open source in the Apache Nudge project. Why open source? Because Dodge Cutting knew from his work on Apache Lucene, he knew that open source is a great way to spread the technology to more people. So they started it as an open source project. In 2005, Cutting found that Nudge is limited to only 20 to 40 node clusters. And he soon realized two other problems. First one, Nudge wouldn't achieve its potential until it ran reliably on larger clusters. And the second problem was, it was looking impossible with just two people, Dodge Cutting and Mike Cafrela. It means for this project, they were require much manpower. Okay, so he started to find a job with a company who is interested in investing their efforts, and he found Yahoo. Yahoo had a large team of engineers that was eager to uh, work on this project, Nudge project. So, in 2006, Dodge Cutting joined Yahoo along with his Nudge project, and he wanted to provide the world with an open source, reliable, scalable computing framework with the help of Yahoo. So, at Yahoo, first he separates the distributed computing parts from Nudge and formed a new project called Hadoop. Why this project named as a Hadoop? He gave this name Hadoop because Dodge Cutting's son had one yellow toy elephant, okay, with name Hadoop. And what was the reason, basic reason for choosing this name for his project? It was a simple, because this Hadoop was easy to pronounce and it was the unique word. That's it. Now, Dodge wanted to make Hadoop in such a way that it can work well on thousands of nodes. So, with GFS and MapReduce, he started to work on Hadoop. In 2007, Yahoo successfully tested Hadoop on a 1000-node cluster and started using it. In January 2008, Yahoo released Hadoop as an open source project to Apache Software Foundation. In July 2008, Apache Software Foundation successfully tested a 4000-node cluster with Hadoop. In 2009, Hadoop was successfully tested to sort petabytes of data in less than 17 hours. And they tested this data for handling billions of searches and indexing millions of web pages. After that, Dodge Cutting left the Yahoo and joined Cloudera, and the reason was to fulfill the challenge of spreading Hadoop to other industries. In December 2011, Apache Software Foundation released Apache Hadoop version 1.0. In August 2013, version 2.0.6 was available, and currently we have Apache Hadoop version 3.0, which released in December 2017. So, it's a story of Hadoop evolution. Thank you.